Do you remember you said you hate winter?
Yeah, I do, because I just busted my fat ass on the stairs.
Well, this is sunshine salad.
God damn you.
What?
Carrots and looks like the dog or a goat threw up. Let's cut it, shall we? Let's have a little taste of this monstrosity. Oh, it's freaking carrots. Let's have a look-see. Oh, this looks absolutely wonderful.
You like carrots?
Look at that. I like carrots. Sure. Honeyed and glazed and cooked with a freaking turkey or something. Jello. Carrots and jello, you're out of here. This is how you treat a man who's all busted up and fell down the stairs and a giant bruise on my back. Oh, this is just delightful. Eat around the carrots.
You don't like it?
It's delicious. Have a bite. It's the best thing I've ever had. There you go.